Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yash and in this video I'll be talking about the legit methods how you as a student or a teenager can start making money. So I won't be talking about those websites which offer internships or websites where you have to go put in data and do a lot of stuff and then start earning in a few dollars, but I will be talking about the legit methods by which you can start learning a skill. I'll tell you the entire process on how you can start working on yourself, understand the market and how you should present yourself while you're offering your service, and then you can start making good amount of money for you as a teenager to save and also invest in the future. So watch this video till the end so that you understand the entire process as I said, and let's get started. So the first and foremost thing what I would like to tell you all is that you should understand what you're good at. So I know it's really tough for us at this particular age to understand what we are good at, because being a student and being a teenager, we have a lot of different things to do in our life. We have a different workspaces, we have different work sites. So all these things don't allow us to particularly understand what we are good at. But then there is one way you can really do this, because I have been doing this since a very long time and this has given me good results, is that you can start maintaining a book. So I personally maintain this book and I have been maintaining this book for a very long time now. And what I personally do is I write all the things what interests me and what am I good at. Like for example, I made two columns. In one particular column I wrote about what things I personally do and what skills I presently have. Like I wrote about my communication skills and all the other things, and on the second hand I wrote about my interests. Okay, like what things I would love to do, what things excite me the most. Like for example, whenever I watch Discovery Channel, the way they film documentaries, I really get attracted to it and I really love it. So that was one skill what I really wanted to learn about cinematography and editing videos. So this was one thing I started doing. I made those two columns, and then I started figuring out, I started striking off the things which I am least interested in that particular list. So for example, I have 5 different things in my interests. So I will pick the top 2 to 3 interests and strike off all the other things. Okay. And then with your present skill sets, start comparing those which are going to help you and which will help you grow faster. Okay. So for example, as I said, I like to make videos. I was really excited in learning how to edit videos and create videos. And I also had good communication skills initially. So one thing what I wanted to learn is that I wanted to create good content and make good content, film good videos and also edit good videos. So what I personally did is I joined my communication skills with the video making skills. I started learning video editing. You can check my video. I will link it here. So I in that video I have mentioned why I started video editing. So मैंने इन दो skills को join करा, and once I combined it together, I have been seeing really good results in the recent times. So I've been uploading reels on my Instagram. I understood how to make professional reels, how to make your proper set. And then after that, I started creating reels and I've been getting a really good response. So this is one way you can start with the first stage of how you can figure out what things you're good at and how you can start with your journey at least. So the second thing is the most important one. So what happens is, as I told about you figuring out your interests. So as I told, video editing, it started fascinating me, so I learned it. But then before this, I was also into game development, I was into programming, and I also did that stuff. So as I told you to figure out 3 interests, and I told you like if you have 5 interests figured out, strike off the least ones and then select the top ones and then start comparing, right? So I selected video editing and communication at the end. Initially I started with game development because I was really into programming, और फिर वो करते करते I started realizing, yeah, this is something what fascinates me, but then to improve and get a skill set in this and to keep working on this, I am not made for it, and this is something what I personally can't do right now. So I striked it off. So one thing what you should understand here is you need to get your hands dirty before you pin down to one particular thing, because experimenting is everything. This age is particularly for exploration, and this will take a month. Okay, this is not something which you can easily do. As I said, you will require 2 to 3 months to legitimately start making good amount of money in your future while staying in your college. So this is the beginning of it. So it will take around 1 month for you to figure out. You may also take 2 months, it depends from person to person, but then yeah, you should at least take 1 month. You should give yourself 1 month to understand how things work. So if you are into game development, you start sitting at least 2 to 3 hours each and every single day figuring out how things work, how the markets work, what games are what platforms are games developed on. So if you start getting interest and you start getting more fascinated while going deeper into it, then it's a good thing for you. You put more interest into it, start taking up courses on that. But then if that thing is not giving you the satisfaction what you are actually seeking for, then just keep it aside and try going for the second interest what you had sorted down. So, and again telling, this was something what I personally did, that didn't help me. I haven't read this anywhere. This is something what I did. So I suppose this will also help you to figure out what you are good at. And also what I started doing is, as I told, that once you will require 1 or 2 months. So if you're good at game development, if you develop a small game, so you can start putting out that content on your Instagram as in the form of video, showcasing people that how that game works or how something works. You start getting feedbacks, and those feedbacks will really help you understand if people are liking it and if you're doing good in that particular field. So if you go to my Instagram, if you scroll down, you can also see I had put out videos related to game development. I also asked a few people what games should I design, what things should I do, and I sooner or later realized that this is not something I should be doing. So if you are starting up with something, you cannot be perfect before starting. So you just have to start putting out content. You just have to reach out to people. You can also go to your close friends and ask them. You can also ask your family members that I've been doing this lately and I feel that I'm doing good in it. Would you please share your feedback? So that when they start sharing their feedbacks on your work, you will start to realize that how the things are going on. So this will also help you. I don't say this will be the major thing which will help you to figure out whether you're good at it or no, but then this will also help you understand that which path you should be treading on in that particular field. So the third and the final thing is, you should understand the market, because once you're providing services to them, you should focus on what problem you will be solving in that particular field. So for example, if a person is not able to get good sales on his Instagram, so you need to make a good marketing video for them. So how good marketing video you will provide to them, how you can boost their sales through that particular marketing video is what is going to stand out, and for that you are going to get paid. So iske liye ye zaruri nahi hai ki you are still in the college and you won't have sufficient time. You will have sufficient enough of time to do all of this. If you're good at content writing, you can start copywriting, which means you can start writing attractive and good advertisement captions for Instagram posts for other businesses, through which if people read those captions, the company also get good amount of sales. And this is one thing what you can do. So there are a lot of things. So you need to figure out what market you are in, and you need to be good before you start. So as I said कि तुमको 2-3 महीने तो लगेंगे. So put all your efforts in for those 3 to 4 months. You start putting in adequate amount of efforts you require. Put in 3 to 4 hours each and every single day apart from your college. And moreover, the lockdown is still on, so your college is just till the afternoon, so you have a lot of time left with you. So utilize that amount of time to improve your skill, to work on that skill. Start taking up courses on Udemy, and you will eventually start improving in that particular skill set. And once you start showing out people what you're good at, and once you start telling people what you're good at, then people will eventually reach out to you for your services. So this is one way you can legitimately start making money. This is not some website or some random Instagram post or affiliate marketing which will help you start making money. These are the things which will help you eventually start side hustles. But then this is one thing what you can get a good amount of income each and every single month if you start doing it consistently and regularly. Again guys, this is the way I started my own journey. I started video editing the last year. I learned it, and then right now I'm working with a company as a video editor with them, and this is how it has been for me. I worked on it for almost 6 months, you can say, but then within the first 2 to 3 months, I'd figured out that video editing is something I should be getting into. I'd figured out that creative space is something what I should enter, and I had figured it out initially. So मेरे को वो time मिला अच्छे से और सीखने के लिए, and in the end after 6 months I landed a job, and that is what I'm working with them right now. So this process is really time taking. So I don't say that you will be able to make a good amount of money in the next upcoming month, but then once you put an adequate amount of efforts for the next 2 to 3 months and you develop that skill set what the market really requires, it is very easy for you to start making money from it. So if you have any more queries, you can DM me on Instagram. I have put my Instagram links in the description below. Just DM me there, and also I'll try my best to answer all your queries. And yeah, that's all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you go subscribe to the channel, and I'll be putting out more of such content on my YouTube channel regularly from now onwards. So if you're really loving it, please share it with all your friends so that even they can get some amount of help from this. And yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching.